Title: AI Dropshipping, How to Build a Fully Automated Store, Step-by-Step. Length: 8 to 12 minutes. Style: informative, engaging, fast-paced. Intro: 0 o'clock to 0:30 B-roll, AI-powered store interfaces, money counter animation, Shopify dashboard. Host: excited tone. Imagine owning an online store that runs 24/7, selling products worldwide, without you touching a single package. Sounds too good to be true? Well, thanks to AI, it's now easier than ever. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a fully automated AI dropshipping store that can generate passive income while you sleep. Stay till the end for a secret AI tool that takes automation to the next level. Call to action: hit that like button and subscribe if you're ready to make money with AI. Section 1. What is AI dropshipping? 0:30 to 1:30 B-roll, animated flowchart of the dropshipping process, customer placing an order, automated fulfillment system working in the background. Host: first, what is AI dropshipping? Traditional dropshipping lets you sell products without holding inventory. But AI takes it to the next level by automating product selection, store management, customer service, and even marketing. Key AI advantages: white check mark, no manual product research, AI finds trending products for you. White check mark, hands-off store management, AI updates listings and pricing. White check mark, automated customer support, AI chatbots handle FAQs. White check mark, AI-driven marketing, AI generates ads and social media posts. Section 2, Step-by-Step Guide to Building Your AI Store, 1:30 to 7 o'clock. Step 1, choose your AI-powered platform, 1:30 to 2:30 B-roll, Shopify, WooCommerce, and sell the trend dashboard screens. To start, you need a store platform. Shopify is the easiest, but WooCommerce gives more flexibility. Use AI-powered tools like Sell the Trend or Dropship.io to find winning products automatically. Step 2, AI-powered store setup, 2:30 to 3:30 B-roll, Shopify store setup walkthrough, AI logo generator, website templates. AI website builder, use durable.co to create your website in minutes. AI logo and branding, use Lookover or brandmark.io for instant brand creation. AI product descriptions, use ChatGPT or copy.ai to generate compelling product descriptions. Step 3, automate product sourcing and fulfillment, 3:30 to 4:30 B-roll, AliExpress dropshipping automation, ZERS tool in action, AutoDS dashboard overview. Use ZERS or AutoDS to sync products directly from AliExpress, automate pricing, and auto-fulfill orders. AI pricing optimization, let AI set optimal prices based on demand and competition. Step 4, AI customer support and chatbots, 4:30 to 5:30 B-roll, ChatGPT customer service bot answering queries, live chatbot demo. Use Tideo AI chatbot to handle FAQs and reduce workload. Zendesk AI can manage tickets and automatically resolve issues. Step 5, AI-powered marketing and ads, 5:30 to 6:30 B-roll, AI-generated Facebook ads, TikTok ad automation, influencer marketing dashboards. AI ad creators, use AdCreative.ai for automated, high-converting Facebook and Instagram ads. AI social media automation, use Predis.ai or Akoya to generate and schedule posts. AI influencer marketing, platforms like Heapsy find influencers to promote your store. Step 6, automate order tracking and upsells, 6:30 to 7 o'clock B-roll, AI email sequences, automated tracking notifications, personalized product recommendations. AI order tracking, use AfterShip to update customers automatically. AI upselling and cross-selling, tools like Reconvert analyze customer behavior and suggest additional products. Section 3, realistic income potential and next steps, 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock B-roll, store dashboard with revenue stats, testimonial clips of people making money with AI dropshipping. Host: so how much can you make with AI dropshipping? If done right, you can generate anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000 plus per month. But success depends on testing products, optimizing marketing, and refining automation. White check mark, low effort, high scalability. White check mark, can start with as little as $100. White check mark, AI tools reduce manual work by 80%. If you're ready to start, I've linked my free AI dropshipping toolkit in the description to help you set up your store in just a few hours. CTA, drop a comment if you want a full AI dropshipping tutorial. Outro, 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock roll, highlight key moments. Next video suggestion, fun closing statement host. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI money-making content. Next, watch this video on AI side hustles that make money while you sleep.